Hey, what is up, guys? No one doing here, and this is like the third time we tried this, so hopefully it goes better.
Because someone messes up.
Yes, I do mess up. I'm not a good YouTuber, but hey, I'm trying. I got Tyus TV with me today and his Pikachu friendliness.
Pika!
Ow, how's my ear?
Actually, that wasn't that loud.
So, anyway, today we're going to be doing the Try Not to Speak challenge. And we're timing ourselves to see how long we can go without saying a certain subject. Let's say, parents, for example. We can go how long without talking about our parents. But they're going to be the other person is going to be asking questions or whatever about, like who gave birth to you or something. So, as he fell asleep. So let's get this done and over with. Here, let me go first.
No.
Okay. All right.
Your topic is Christmas. We finished this one, but I made a mistake because someone. So.
Yeah.
Finish this phrase. We wish you a.
Happy Hanukkah.
We wish you a happy Hanukkah. We wish you. Actually, it's Merry Hanukkah because it's not Happy Christmas.
Oh, still.
So another question. Who comes at night on the 25th of December?
The Jewish man.
I was gonna say Uncle Murray, but okay. What's the day of a month after your birthday? His birthday's 25th. Just to be clear.
Yeah, my birthday is November 25th. So, the month after my birthday, I don't know. Happy Eve.
Eve?
Mm-hmm.
What's the Eve for?
The night before.
Night before what? Actually, isn't the night before 24th? I don't know. So I said the 25th.
Oh, then happy day.
Okay, you're good.
All right.
You never have to put it up. My topic.
All right. If we get through the full thing, we get a point. But if we don't get through the full thing, then we lose like a point or something.
If the person goes overtime, they lose that point.
Mm-hmm.
So don't make me go overtime. Let's go.
Let's go into overtime.
So what's my topic?
All right. Your topic is. Can we redo topics?
No.
Okay.
Well, we can do the ones that we did previously because they don't know about them.
I want you to do me a certain one, but all right. You can't talk about boys. So, who's in your school?
Girls.
And who else?
Dogs.
Really?
You know the school dog?
Oh yeah, I know that. So, isn't there like there's a certain amount of guy teachers there, aren't there?
More girls
Then what?
than dogs. Because there's only one dog.
All right. Who's your gym teacher?
Miss Powers.
You sure you don't have a guy as your gym teacher?
Check my schedule. It's actually Miss Powers.
Okay.
And Miss Powers is a girl, just so you guys all know, because Powers isn't exactly. It could be a boy and a girl's name.
Yeah, I had nothing else here written down. All right. You do me.
Can't talk about bathroom.
Okay.
What's the white circular bowl in your bathroom?
It's called a tornado.
What do you do to relieve yourself?
I jump in the tornado.
That's more like a death wish.
No, don't do that. Literally, don't do that.
And these have to be actually like kind of okay answers. Not like you jump in a tornado.
Yeah, don't do that. That's bad for. Don't do that. You will die. Don't.
Actually, some people live into the eye of the storm.
Yeah, but still, you could die from it. 99% chance.
How do you clean yourself?
I go in my sink.
Sink's in the bathroom.
No, sink's in the kitchen.
So you just go. There's also a sink in the bathroom though.
Aw, come on. Aw.
Isn't there a sink in your guys' bathroom?
I mean, there is sinks in the bathrooms, but there's also one in the kitchen.
Yeah, but you have to say kitchen sink, not just sink. Sink still counts. You should have waited 6 more seconds.
Oh, see that? I don't know if you can see that,
My
but
phone's too bright.
there we go. 54. Darn it. Alright.
My
Oh,
topic.
Alright. No talking about...
Like my feet. No, okay.
No talking about... This is hard. But what the heck did I just do? Okay. No talking about animals. So how about that fluffy thing on your carpet? Now he's in your kitchen.
A rug.
A rug? Does a rug move?
It has wheels on it.
A rug that has wheels. You heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. A rug with the first ever wheels on it. Selling for $9.95. I'm just kidding. No, we're not selling a rug with wheels on it. That'd be extremely dumb.
Not yet.
Not yet, anyway. Then what is he doing underneath my chair?
Technically, the rug's not under your chair. It's by your chair.
Anyway.
Just making sure my phone's not going.
Oh.
Haha.
Alright. What's on your head?
On my head, a mask.
Darn it. Alright, that's his time. Reset. There you go.
So basically, I have 2 points because this is my second round, and he has 1 point because he lost a round for saying sink. Your topic is you can't say anything about school.
Okay, bring it on me. No one can see your face, by the way. There you go.
We'll stop sitting down. But where's a place you go to every day except for the weekends?
Work.
What's work? What's your job?
Typing all day.
Where do you type?
At an office.
What office?
FedEx.
I was gonna say K Jewelers.
Wow.
I think. Where's a place with a lot of adults? At Peach.
Hyphy.
Really, there's teachers they're people that teach.
They show people what to do. Don't take off the mask.
I'm not. Time's up.
Oh, I got that point back. Oh, we're at
Yeah,
time.
you're at 2 and 2, and this is the last round. So if I win this, I win.
Oh, we're going on 9 minutes. All right. No talking about genders. So, what kind of people are there in your school?
Sorry.
Funny you say that. There's a lot of guys that don't shave. Seriously, you want to view my face? I shaved this morning, I think. Alright.
I'm not in your face. Next question.
What gender is your dog?
It's a Shih Tzu.
It's a gender, not breed. Just staring at him. Oh, you ran out the clock. You suck. Alright.
Woo!
Alright, do me. One last time.
No. I'm not doing you.
You just took that to a bad level. Alright.
Your topic is
I love this sweatshirt.
nothing about YouTube.
Oh, okay.
What's this video we're making for right now?
My friends and family to see.
What's your job?
I don't have one.
What do you post a video on every day?
A website.
What website?
Certain website.
What's a certain website?
It's about nothing.
What's about nothing?
You.
You're nothing. Next question. Say you.
You.
No, say two.
No.
Where do you see videos every day?
Netflix.
Say videos, not TV shows.
The internet.
Where on the internet?
On a website.
Which website? We're not going over this
A certain website.
again. Time's up.
Okay. Alright, that was the last round. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's 11 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm sorry it's so long, but hey, we're trying to bring you something funny. Hope you guys got a little bit of chuckle from him. He's funnier than me. At least I think he is. So, yeah. So anyway, yeah, that's the end of this video. We're probably going to do one for his channel here soon, too. So be looking forward to that. Maybe I'll probably do another one here later on tonight. So, hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'm going to turn this video off now. Oh, I forgot to do my shout-outs right now. So right now, I am giving a shout-out to Corner Mars, if I haven't already. Corner Mars, I am giving you a shout-out right now. You are my shout-out for this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Tyler's being weird, so see you guys later. Have a good night.